people? My name is DJ Paco Rich, right here in the studios. Paco Rich Studios now, Yebezun Komoa for the Ghana music industry. Definitely, I have my man Long John here. I saw Long John when Shatta Wale Kotoni Rolls Royce no Bodu Porton. Senior clearing agents. On I'm a pot to one check it. Yama. There's been a whole lot of conversation about this, and that's there. But I mean, he's somebody that's, when it comes to conversation related to Shatta Stone and all that, he's always involved. But in recent times, personally, MMA observation, and he's so on Stonebwoy's neck each and every day. And then I don't see why. On an Kwame yogurt. And I also say, on the other side of Stonebwoy, we see the likes of DJ Slim.
Thank you.
Also being on the neck,
that's
pressing the neck of Shatta Wale.
That's balance.
And then we see Saliman also on Adum TV, also pressing the neck of Oye Shatta.
That's balance.
Why should it always be like that? Can't we live in harmony? Obi Bakare, Paco Rich is a hypocrite. He's also been posting or doing a low-key shots and all that. Please, any serious-minded person will know that Paco, me, I am somebody that do comic release stress content and all that. And so, if it's for Stone, I can do. If it's for Shatta, I can do. I have no personal interest, because Sammy Flex is my guy. Dr. Louisa is my guy. Shatta's a project to be like that. I was the one that filmed it and all that. Stonebwoy, donation and all that. I'm the one that they do all that. I have seen people like GH Kweku balancing their relationship with both Stonebwoy and Shatta. How come our Long John, in a DJ Slim, in a Kwame Yogurt, in a Saliman, you cannot, I'm not saying in there be a neutral, another bear to their portfolio. Who doesn't know whether he belongs to?
He's also part of the reason I fully came out as that.
I would remember you both report to that about it. But what is it that the Stonebwoy? What do you gain when you are always on a particular artist on his neck?
I like this question.
Yeah.
So anyone who knows me will tell you, I'm not a guy that wants to breed hate. I like wherever I am, there should be happiness, there should be love. But you see, I have noticed with keen interest that our industry is moving in a way that if care is not taken, we are going to lose a lot of valuables in the name of fanaticism. And when I decided to toe this lane, I did it because I noticed the gains were more than how do you call it? Those are the other side. When I say this, I mean we have people who are actually in the music industry that are supposed to play neutral roles that decided to take sides. I have no problem when you decide to take sides, but you see, when Stonebwoy does something good, me, I say it.
Untibida. Dabi.
What's DGN?
What friend then?
What's DGN? When he went to Takrady or somewhere.
Big fans are
no,
watching.
Kaswa.
I'm coming. Big fans are watching.
Yeah.
In the comment section, if you've seen Long John saying anything,
don't stress. I'm coming to give you reference so that they go and look for it. Don't stress. I'll give you reference so you go and look for it. When he went to Kaswa to do a donation, that his wife spearheaded the whole thing.
I was there myself.
Thank you very much. Go and watch DGN and listen to what I said. When they did a concert somewhere in Europe or something, and then the performance went well. I mean, everything went well. Go and listen to my submission on that issue. I'm not against. I don't hate him.
You don't hate him.
No.
So
let me show you.
Maybe. But your utterances.
It's not my utterance. You are getting it wrong.
Like
no. Let me. I speak with passion. That's the first thing.
But the passion doesn't mean you should sound like a hater.
That is one thing. If you know me very well, anybody who knows me will tell you. When I start acting in that way, you think Long John Boadier. But that is not the reason. It is the way I'm speaking. Once my tone was down. Now my tone is getting higher. Because at this point, I feel, no, you want to say things that is not true. So I want to.
Your tone can be higher, but the fact.
Let me show you. I'm coming. Hold on. Yes. And whatever I say are not lies.
But
let me show you what.
But the audience watching you
let me
feel that
explain.
you hate Stonebwoy.
Hold on, no, let me show you. Those things. Okay, hold on. Those things I say on the platform, right?
Yeah.
They are not things I say because I hate Stone. Let me tell you, if you want me to get you, there are only two things: your actions and what comes out of your mouth.
Have you met Stonebwoy in person before?
Yes, I have.
Like in recent times?
No. 2021.
2021. Yeah. And then what was the conversation between you?
Oh, that one. I know they like put. They won't tell you something.
No, I'm not saying you should give us the details of the conversation. But what took you to Stonebwoy's house?
Then it be some artist work, something like that.
Where he take you there?
Yeah.
And since then, somebody that you've met him in person before,
I've been a Beam fan all before.
So is it that somebody SM another Shatta Wale,
nobody, if you know me,
payroll,
you dey listen. That be the funny thing people they think. And people actually think when I went to Shatta's house, I had some huge money or something.
Inti Shatta Niskada.
Wow, look at
this. Maybe some Inti Shatta Niskada.
With what I know, it's Sammy Flex I know. Sammy Flex is the one who held my hand and said, no, Mindy Shatta Niskada. From him to me, no.
But from Sammy to
Sammy Flex, yeah, like he from, be my boss. No, if you take it that way.
From Shatta to Sammy to you.
I don't know about Shatta to. I'm not in
because
between
you know
their relationship.
What? This thing that I'm doing, I'm going to do the same to DJ Slim.
I have no problem. No, listen, are you listening to me? I don't want you to coordinate between Shatta Wale and Sammy Flex. Deal with me directly.
Okay.
I have a relationship with Sammy Flex. He took me to Shatta.
Okay.
That is where it ends. Whatever is between Sammy Flex and Shatta, I'm not the one to come and spill them out.
Okay, I get that.
Yes. I want it to be at this point. Okay. Now, the reason I want you to understand this. The reason why in recent times it looks like I speak against Stonebwoy is because in December.
It doesn't look. You speak against Stonebwoy.
Okay, it looks like. You know why it looks like?
It doesn't
because
look
you guys don't want to be fair about certain narration. Stonebwoy went on media platform.
Your microphone is on your chest.
Stonebwoy went on media platform. I want to sit well and
okay, if you want to sit well, then sit well.
Stonebwoy went on
you are cropping your head off, so
okay.
Gray, at the back you cap. Or you want
to
relax this way. Okay. Relax this way.
Stonebwoy went on he went for a media tour.
And then what did he
at the media platform?
Yeah.
And you see, in this world, I don't believe if you don't have that in if you don't hate me. You go on a platform that is supposed to celebrate you. You talk about me.
Stonebwoy spoke about you.
No. Hold on. Let me finish. So you went to a platform. You went to perform in that region. You did little or less about that region. Spoke little or less. And decided, you see where my problem was. Decided to paint your colleague artist black.
Wait, about artist in America?
Shatta Wale.
He painted him black.
Yes.
Every painting, not a painting.
Oh, you see, per your questions, the viewers themselves will know where you belong. I don't want to say much. You know why? Hold on, no. If you want to be fair and balanced.
I'm being fair.
Hold on. If you want to be fair. You see, me personally, I am speaking against the fact that Shatta Wale called Stonebwoy, sorry to say, like, with his injured leg. Hold on, I'm coming. I want to prove to you.
When me saw there, or painting would be painter. Indirectly, maybe saw there. What did he say?
And I'm making the narration, but you keep cutting.
Make her there or painting will be painting. Then you come in there. Everybody knows where you're coming from.
No, because the question you asked, I said black. We're painting the black. Black. Black.
So when I prop further, which means give me details of exactly what he said.
Listen.
So let's put that one on the side. Details of what exactly Stonebwoy said.
If you want to know the details, then fine.
Okay.
So Stonebwoy, you go to a platform and then you are asked. And then
relax, man. Your head,
okay, sure. My headroom.
Yeah.
Okay, so you go to a platform and you are asked the question. Then you quickly start entering into the personal life of another artist. Have you ever in your professional life see somebody go to a traditional media? Fine. If it is not probably Shatta Wale, and even with him, it regards to probably relationship and then, how do you call it? Work stuff, like something related to the work. oh, this guy charges this way, this guy does this. I don't know if you're getting what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
But he will not go as far as talking about Stonebwoy mother, sorry to say, has been used for something. Or I don't know if you're getting me. Like that low regard, he will not go.
Who will not go
Hold
that
on,
low regard?
Shatta Wale.
Shatta Wale will not say
Involve his personal people like
Stonebwoy's personal stuff.
Yes, like sorry to say, oh mame, oh papa, those are normal insults. But say, oh mame, say,
oh
papa.
mame, trying a normal insults.
Bro,
LJ.
No, listen.
Come on.
Hold on. I'm coming. If you are able to insult, you see,
But remember,
this is one of the.
You know that mothers are dear.
You are not allowing me to.
I will allow you, but mothers are dear to our hearts. So to go like, oh mame, try a normal insult.
Let me be honest with you.
Mm-hmm.
You then me know say insult is insult. Sorry to say, hold on.
Personal.
Nobody sets standard for sin.
I hear.
You understand? If you are able to classify where Jimmy as sin, then it's also a sin.
Okay.
But if you want to tell me where Jimmy is a nicer sin than that is why I have my difference. If you want, and you see one thing about reactions is when you do something against somebody, you can't tell what the reaction will be.
Okay.
You've done your part. It's left with the person. And your reaction may not be like my reaction. Probably if you get pissed, you are able to control yourself. Somebody might not. And if the person is not able to control himself, that doesn't make the person so sinful than you. Okay. I don't know if you are getting me. And this is how the industry paints Shatta Wale. Because you see, Shatta is so passionate about things. That is why if you know people like that, you understand him. That is why when he gets pissed, he goes deeper because he feels he has a very deep bond with you. Why would you do this? These things, and you are so experienced in life. You know these type of people. You've met various people in your life growing up. So you should be able to tell Shatta's nature and Stonebwoy's nature. Now, if you are able to go to a media platform after performing beautifully, you didn't highlight a lot about it, and you decide to go and say, we all are in the country, his mom is struggling to get a place to rent. I mean, look at the posture you are in as an artist.
Are you saying that in reference to Oko Kumasi?
What else? You see, you name the America, but you see, you want to act like, I mean, I like real people.
No.
Let's be very honest. Hold on, I'm coming. I'm building my point. You said you want to know what.
But is BB Shebo.
Okay.
So Oko Kumasi and Okakadabasa.
Yes. And he didn't end it there. Then he went ahead. Shatta Wale has written on his social media platform, I'm bringing a Rolls Royce. He has not called you Stonebwoy to have a personal relationship with you that I'll bring Rolls Royce. You see this news on media platforms and you decide to go for an interview and speak about it. Let's be honest. Let's be very honest. If you want to be fair, was that right? Is that not the state of a pundit to do that job?
Okay.
I don't want. Okay, I've asked you a question. Is that
question?
The position Stonebwoy
took.
No, I'm coming. I want to explain the word. The position Stonebwoy took on that Rolls Royce matter.
Yeah.
Is that as a brand who is an artist feeding off his music? Is that the posture he should do against a colleague artist who is also feeding off his music?
You see, I'm Casa Mincho, and I want you to listen to me carefully. Wa asemi a wakede ekotu obi na ne yere da warekwa ben bisa one day e ba asem no si ba bisa one day na run last time and what really happened, you understand? What's bibi anka papa enje krede from baby I was starting kede Stonebwoy Oko Kumasi no kakada ma asemi. Well, I'm not sure that is the first time when you encounter. Let's hear Emi now. Both of us should agree that Stone and Shatta Nankasan, they have portrayed the character of Tom and Jerry in this industry. And we all watch this Tom and Jerry cartoons. Tom Kobo Kata and a friend and Tom Kobo Jerry and Jerry Akobo Cat. Then they will run around gets to a time they come together, and this whole thing, they keep their relevance. Now, any problem I may want you the third parties now, or ya wo bemin. So that wo, so that Kwame Yogurt, so that DJ Slim, so that Saliman. What about the kind of position they take when these two people themselves in Ankasana, what is the wagon? So your settings in the two of them, what's no I can I say? I mean, our yakwa, what discussing and more into yen so jengum. Then people make people talk. You don't know what really go on behind the scenes. You might know Shatta, you might be close to Shatta. I might know Stonebwoy, I might be close to his wife and all that. But your people are friendly trade secrets. So if that has been their trade secret, why should we as third parties be so much involved?
That is where I come back to my point. If you were really listening, you understand I said something. I look at your actions and what you say. I was speaking against Shatta Wale calling Stonebwoy, like, sorry to say, an injured leg or something. Now, let me explain why I said that. Why I'm saying this. Now, you Stonebwoy, your posture you took in that interview was totally wrong. No matter the relationship you have with Shatta, that one, okay, it no concern with you. The posture you brought out is what really, whatever you know about Stonebwoy. The moment he pulled the gun at the auditorium, did you think about how he's calm when you know him and stuff? That's just that public display of gun. Didn't it give you a different narration about him? You see, I am saying this because, let's be fair. If Shatta says, I have no problem. Look, I have no problem if Shatta says it and you people attack him. That is me. I'm being honest. I have no problem. But what you want to do for Shatta, do for Stonebwoy when he's wrong. And that is why I see this industry go wrong. Because when it is Shatta, it is wrong. When it is Stonebwoy, everybody is silent. You don't hear one commentary against it. That is why I'm saying, how many industry stations actually spoke against that Stonebwoy interview you did? Everybody is trying to say, hey, Abi Shatta is the one who instigated. Fine, Shatta instigated. How many years now have Shatta spoken about Stonebwoy, or months prior to that interview? Why did he? And he called it the year of truth, 2025, the year of truth. Everything he said, and now I did the truth. So if I go on a platform and I tell you that, Stonebwoy, you've made wild allegations. I just hope your allegations are true. If not, we will come for you. How am I disrespecting? I have never for once insulted Stonebwoy directly. I have never said.
But you've done that indirectly.
No, if you say no. Hold on. I'm coming. You know what?
You've not insulted.
I've never insulted Stonebwoy. That's what I'm basically. No, basically, I've never insulted Stonebwoy.
Okay.
I have only used this word to judge what is happening.
Okay,
Stonebwoy. Say Kanemba Kanaba. You said it's a year of truth, so you lied.
Okay. Now let me give you an example. How would you also position somebody? For example, if, let's say, DJ Slim posts a Rolls Royce, then people start coming at him.
Let me tell you one thing. When you post,
hold
on. When you post, and you've not said it's yours, I have no problem. But in Shatta's case, he posted and said something new, Mr. Rolls Royce in Yama. That was what triggered your man to go and sit there and say, and even went further to say, Abroche, do you know what you are doing to the brand? You are trying to tell foreign investors or people who like to work with Shatta Wale that he's a scammer. Abroche settings, what does it mean? Because of your settings guy, what does it mean?
Well, I mean, settings.
Let's not pretend. And you know Stonebwoy's wears carry weight. If I say carry weight,
now Shatta's wears also carries weight.
An upcoming artist wouldn't say something. Yes, of course. But that's what I'm saying. Shatta will never come and do things like this because he knows you. No, listen.
Can you repeat yourself?
Shatta will never come and say, "Hey, yeah, Stonebwoy is bringing some this artist into a fake."
Wow.
Let me show you. I'm being honest with you. What Shatta will tell you is always the truth about the matter. Probably because you want to feature Beyonce, you want to take this one. And if you should do the calculation analysis, you realize it's true. Tell me if no. You see, that is why I want us to be honest.
I'm allowing you to be honest.
Yes. If you come on me na made them home. I said I'm shipping a Kulinan to Ghana. you go for a radio interview and say, Obwa abroche settings. Hey, this guy, he did lie. Obe shepe Rolls Royce now. The friend saying, Oba made that one thing. Just that conversation.
Well. Personally, I feel like Oma made that one thing, and then sometimes to Shatta also going overboard. Oma made train all those things. That fact, it's a no for me on both sides.
Yes, and let me tell you, I'm also
on both sides, and I don't agree.
Yes,
but when it comes to this things like shading each other, and I feel both of them have been doing this for quite a long time.
So you see, that's why I come back again. If it is Shatta Wale there, you are able to scrutinize as well. But if it's Stonebwoy, show me a video of Long John insulting Stonebwoy that sorry to say with Jimmy. And I'm sorry to say why I only use his words against him.
As some American in there, what we should distance ourselves from is we being third party always taking a position that make us looks like.
So let me show you. No. You see, anybody who watches from afar will know that this is showbiz. What I said?
Some of them don't take it like showbiz.
Hold on. Charlotte Odro, you've seen podcast people and stuff discuss it, right?
Yeah.
Why is it being discussed? Because they said it's why is it?
Do they hate Charlotte Odro?
No. Hold on. Oh God, you're not making me finish.
When I was discussing the issue, what kind of Charlotte?
No, you ask. They want trying to insinuate that.
No. Me, saw what now.
They're not hating him. But it is a public statement. Idea about public no kibi. But all I'm trying to, that's what I'm saying. If you come and say something, we have to scrutinize it. You said it was a year of truth. You gave certain narrations. We are witnessing something different. I shouldn't question you.
All right. So there,
I have never insulted Stonebwoy. I respect him. I respect his family. In fact, I was very close to one of his siblings. There's no way I would disrespect them. But where I have my problem is industry people trying to paint me black when they understand where I'm coming from, what I'm trying to. There's no way me, Long John, I'm saying it emphatically, I'll insult Stonebwoy. And I'll never be me. I'm so smart that I'll never be the reason why. I'll never be the reason why an artist or somebody, not me, third person, I'm dissing you. In Jimmy, sir.
Okay. I want to ask you a simple question, then we'll wrap it up. So in all, I want to hear it from your mouth. You don't have any.
No. Let me tell you.
No, question.
Yes. I don't. So let me show you. If DJ Slim insults Shatta Wale.
Maybe I will get there.
No, maybe I'm coming. Hold on. If DJ Slim insults. No, hold on. Listen, if DJ Slim insults Shatta Wale, and then after, you don't even go behind and tell him, Charlie, tone down. If you want to roll with me, tone down. And then I see you taking videos with him and all those stuff. It means you second whatever he's doing. So he should understand that it's the same thing happening here. There's no envy, there's no hate. I don't hate him.
You don't hate Stonebwoy.
Why would I hate him?
So DJ Slim said, good. Do you think he hates Shatta Wale?
DJ Slim, he was the first reason why I went totally Shatta Wale. He insulted my mother. We were having a cordial discussion. And then I said something on the platform. I think he spoke against Shatta Wale, and then the narration he gave didn't make sense. And then I said, this thing, Slim, they talk there. You be OG, you for know better. They say, why I for talk that? I mean, my mother. When you say something like me, if you insult my mother, me penameba also. Me no need a relation now, kasa semina. Me no was a relation, me say I go need. But me no need a relation now, kasa adena. Me, you see, obi a only 6 packs there. Me no overcall. But somebody like DJ Slim, okay, kasa and send me niache me we are. They make you know, okay, so this is where you are. They know what, because of Slim, I'll stand here. You do understand? Because I don't want to be in the same camp as him.
So in
and you see, even with Slim self, I'm trying to be careful. I don't want to use abusive words. Because till now.
That's just say body shame is Slim or man be a camera. Obi only 6 pack. 6 pack about to be.
Oh, but and you know I can never do this.
No,
it's a slanting and me both in Slim. And the body shame, no. Is he having 6 packs? You see, Ghanaians, no problem here. You like using brofo. We are speaking about truth. Please, does he have 6 packs?
Oh, yibi, musu be yibi.
Oh, and yo, why Slim or 6 packs, Anna?
Dabi.
So, am I speaking the truth?
Well, you are speaking the truth.
Simple. That is all I need. You see, I'm only using I'll use facts to just buttress your issue, and probably the way I'll move and the way I carry my mannerism when I'm speaking. And then I don't hate anybody.
Well, quickly, let's chip in about Kwame Yogurt. Seeing somebody like Kwame Yogurt calling Stonebwoy an upcoming artist, saying that Stonebwoy can never achieve what he has achieved in, you know deep in your heart that it's very disrespectful for an artist like Kwame Yogurt.
Yeah.
Kwame Yogurt, I know, was in the space for a very long time, but in a star on bright here. But Stonebwoy has seen the limelight before he came in, and so I believe he should give him that respect.
Okay.
So to constantly see Kwame Yogurt telling Stonebwoy this thing, do you think it's right?
Me, for one, I have never heard that part. But because I remember...
Have you been reading his posts?
No. I'm not really... Because of how busy I am, I'm not really online. Me go online, so I have my type of content.
So it looks like you don't see people that say ill about Stonebwoy.
No.
But you can easily see people that say...
Probably the reason might be it didn't
Shatta.
trend. Kwame Yogurt only didn't trend.
Or trend the Papa. Go and see the number.
Because let me show you what I saw.
Okay,
I
fine.
saw one of yes. But let me show you what I
you.
saw. I want you to understand. Look, me who I'll say it.
Okay.
You see, we have to be honest.
Okay, what's your
Me who
position? Now that you know, what's your position on that?
Honestly, if he really said those things, then those were very unfortunate words. You don't use that for a colleague artist. I still stand on the same ground. You don't use what they use to feed themselves and their family and those close to them to insult them. You understand? It's not right. I wouldn't stand here and say, even if Shatta Wale does that, it's right. No, it's wrong.
I see.
You understand? It's never right for us to put things that put... Imagine these cameras and things that put food on your table. I come and destroy it. And I kneel down to I tell you I love you. What would you think?
I see.
I don't know if you're getting me. So there's no way I will second those narration if indeed he said it. Because I saw a video on TikTok where one of Stonebwoy's bodyguard, who is now in Europe, was sending a warning. That was what I saw. I was like, what did this guy see?
Well, go to his timeline and scroll down. You'll get enough information. So
okay, so I'll do that. I'll do that. Then no, I'm saying it here. I'm done. You understand? Whatever happens, he believes he knows what he's doing. And you see, we are at an age where you can't impose your opinions on people. You understand? So me telling Kwame Yogurt, I believe he has people he respects that will equally call him to order. Understand? But I believe if indeed he said that, I stand 10 toes and want to tell him that he should quickly apologize. Because
I mean, he doesn't look like somebody who apologized to Stonebwoy. So don't even
no. I believe if it is addressed in a certain way, he could apologize.
I'm telling you, there's no way he would apologize.
No,
he doesn't look like
why?
somebody who
why I'm saying that.
To Stonebwoy.
You know why I'm saying that? I'm saying that because if you come threatening him, definitely he's a man. I don't know if you're getting me.
I get you.
But if you said, oh Charlie, you see the way you tell me right now.
Yeah.
Definitely I go feel bad. I don't know if you get what I do. But imagine hey, Long John, if you talk, I don't go listen. Because right now tempers are high.
I see.
I don't know if you're getting me. You read the room before you say certain things. I would sincerely want to tell him as a brother that he should revisit what he said and then see through what he has said. Just think through it. If an upcoming artist or nobody says something like this about him, if he will be happy, if he won't, then I'm kindly pleading on him to come out and apologize. Because no matter the level of how should I put it, belief you have in another art, it shouldn't force you or put you in a position where you want to denigrate what feeds another art. You understand? You shouldn't do that. Besides, Stonebwoy has not said a word about you. So in your quest to prove your loyalty to someone, you shouldn't step on toes that have not even come your way. That's what I believe.
Well, a word to a wise or enough. It's been a wonderful discussion with Long John. You can follow him on all social media platforms. He's on Instagram, he's on Twitter, he's on Facebook, he's on TikTok, and he's one of the astute pundits, hot one in town that everybody loves to listen to. And see, he's shared his own, side of the story. I'm sure you can decode it and also take your own side. Whatever you want to believe from what he said, at your own.
Ogo, we decide whatever they want to believe.
Of course, I mean,
they should take my word for it because I'm the one saying it.
No, you can tell people. You can tell people. No, you can tell people your truth, but people can decide not to believe that is your truth. You can't force it on them.
That one they're true.
You understand? And
so, so if you believe it's something else, then that one they're there. Like
I said, it's their own cup of tea. So it's been a wonderful time. I mean, we'll be giving you more of this from time to time. He's rushing to somewhere, so we don't want to take a lot of his time. My name is DJ Parker Rich. It's been a wonderful time with me here. Long John. Charlie, you have any final message for your fans, the SM fans?
Yeah.
I know you are an instigator.
I'm for the industry, but I just don't like it when I see.
You are for the industry, but you are for a particular department of
of course, because one, the whole industry is against him. And the whole mechanism is against, the whole machinery is against him. You understand? I understand. It is.
But I'm not against Shatta. I like you.
Because you've worked with him before.
So not that, but I mean, he's somebody that he started making hits before. No, aside from what I'm saying is
you have the spirit of Atanos. That's what I'm trying to say.
What I'm saying is that when I see people disrespecting people, these are the few things I tell them. One, Nimpano started or a brand, and I started to make effort in life. And idea we make so you should accord that person with that respect. Okay?
But I have one question too for you.
After that, my and then aside from that, and also two, Obi wa bread from Onyem na we benya sika on the phone.
Trust.
And so you need to always respect his hustle.
So you know why I said now
you
that
understand.
last interview was a problem.
The American in there, there will be our friend in Jajahuna Agreezy. But on Nyaza, you should overcross your boundaries and disrespect him. I learned Shatta sometimes watches this all be lie content. I've done several stuffs on all
you're superstar. You don't know.
No, I've done several stuffs of all be lie about him. I've done some on Stonebwoy. But I'm sure he's seen some of these things.
Oh, I do share
and them. And then I don't think he should take these things personal because deep down in my heart,
he knows you are not.
I'm sure I don't have anything against him.
Exactly.
He's an entertainer, so he knows that when you are creating something which is entertaining, fun around him, he's a superstar. We all get a bits and pieces of him to grow. But then you shouldn't do that in disrespecting any of these brands. Of course. And now back to what you want to ask.
Yeah. So you, the one putting the question to me, I want to ask you: have you watched any video from me that has disrespected Stonebwoy in any way, so I can apologize?
Well, it is not really about you saying something that's maybe it's a direct insult, but then I can go like, "Hey, Fiaka," then I can tell you, Fiaka. It has two different meanings.
Let me tell you this.
So then, if I am not the only one telling you that you are being too hard and harsh on Stonebwoy, and other people are saying it, then you should know that maybe there is a little bit of truth in what everybody is saying.
Yeah.
And so definitely you need to work.
But let me show you something. What I get from people is I'm very aggressive. And if you know me, you know me. That's why I'm saying, me, I know my posture. I start very calmly. And during the heat of the moment, I go that way. That's what I'm saying. If you want to be close to me, don't look at that and think I'm trying to disrespect you.
Well, you can't.
I will never. If I really love you, I will never do that.
But you can't always decide on how people will relate to you.
That's why you've given me the opportunity to explain myself. So I want people to understand from henceforth that, and you see, and just say I don't try to curb it. I'm trying my best to do it. But
your best has not been enough.
You understand? So it's an innate thing I've done for long. So even if it will stop or it will take some time, it will take years. You understand? So all I'm trying to say is this is a platform I'm using for people to understand that I am not doing those mannerisms you see. It's not because I hate Stone. This is how I am. Bring any other issue, and this is how I'll speak. I don't know if you're getting me.
I get you.
Because this is how I feel I can also express myself. It is in no way or in no conformity trying to tell anybody that I don't respect the person. And especially someone who has not done anything to me. No, I'm not that type guy. Now, for me to even work under you, Paco Rich, you for not say, I can't be disrespectful and work under you. You're not even allowed. So that's basically it.
All right, beautiful people, that has been the submission of young, maybe kind of young. When you're young, or you're Long John, the guy is tall, the guy is really tall. And so that has been a submission. Guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you also think in the comment section. But do subscribe and also share the info. Hate no one. It's all about love. Hatred isn't something you should, encourage. It's fun. So sometimes you should know how to control your emotions, either a Beam fan or an SM fan. Some of these things you see are not how you think it is. You understand? And so, Sammy Flex, I mean, we talk about, we don't even speak about these things you people worry about. You understand? Long John probably might have even, I'm sure in his life, he might even had sex with some Beam girl some years back. And still, it went on. So, guys, we're out of here. We'll come your way with another episode. Bye-bye.